This is ANN News Brief.
South Africa's Eastern Cape province has closed at least 31 schools because of coronavirus. The national broadcaster, South African Broadcasting Corporation, reported 15 teachers, 3 students and 2 non-teaching staff had tested positive for COVID-19. The Eastern Cape province has the second highest number of cases in the country. Education Department spokesperson in the province, Loyiso Pulumani, said the schools were closed for cleaning and that schools had been given guidelines on what to do when cases necessitate cleaning. Pulumani said they should reopen after a few days. South Africa is the most impacted nation on the African continent, accounting for more than 25% of the total cases in Africa. The government is preparing for an upcoming surge in Cape Province. Western Cape and Eastern Cape provinces reporting high numbers of cases and deaths daily. Health Ministry reported more than 58,500 coronavirus cases and at least 1,200 persons have died. The World Health Organization has said on Thursday the coronavirus pandemic is accelerating in Africa, spreading to the hinterland from capital cities where it earlier arrived with travelers. WHO also said on Thursday Africa will have a steady increase in COVID-19 cases until a vaccine is developed and strong public health measures are needed in current hotspots in South Africa, Algeria and Cameroon. WHO's Africa Regional Director Mashidiso Moeti named 10 countries that are driving Africa's epidemic, accounting for 75% of the more than 200,000 cases on the continent, with 5,000 deaths reported. South Africa, Nigeria, Algeria, Egypt, Ghana, Cameroon, Senegal, Democratic Republic of Congo, Guinea and Ivory Coast account for nearly 80% of all cases. Dr. Moeti said swift and early action by African countries has helped to keep numbers low, but constant vigilance is needed to stop coronavirus from overwhelming health facilities. We'll be right back.
Whether in your house, at your office, on your phone or online, we are there. We have the facts behind the headlines. We cut to the chase with the news you really need. We cover every angle. We are the bigger, better news network. We are African News Network. ANN. Watch ANN News on MITV from a truly African spirit.
A senior officer at the Ivory Coast Army Chief of Staff Office says 12 Ivorian soldiers have been killed and several others wounded in an attack at a northern border post near Burkina Faso early on Thursday. The officer said 2 other gendarmes are missing, while 1 assailant was killed. The assailants were reported to have come from neighboring Burkina Faso. Ivory Coast and Burkina Faso launched a joint military operation last month to tackle expanding threats from Islamist jihadists linked to Al-Qaeda and the Islamic State in the Sahel region. That is ANN News Brief at 10. For details on these and other breaking stories, visit our website annafrica.news. Conversation continues on our social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram and Facebook at ANN Africa TV. I'm Lucy Adeyemi.